Welcome to another session of the Wireless Laboratory course. If you remember, in the previous session we showed you how to transmit a simple wireless communication signal by using the real devices. So in this session we will do the same thing but by using simulation, and we will use MATLAB as our simulation platform. So for those of you who do not have MATLAB installed in your computers, make sure you do so before coming to this session. So in today's session we will design a simple wireless communication signal based on the AWGN channel, that is additive white Gaussian noise channel. And we will do this together for the transmitter part and the channel part. And at the end, you will be required to implement a simple AWGN receiver and calculate the bit error rate. As I've just said, in this lab we will show you how to implement a basic digital baseband communication system through simulation, and we will consider a very simple system that is operating in the AWGN channel, that is additive white Gaussian noise channel. And after the lab you will be able to simulate a simple transmitter and receiver part of the system. That is, will be able to implement a modulation and demodulation process, path shaping, and also be able to detect a signal from from the noise. Also, we will show you how to simulate different tools that we use to analyze the signal. For example, you will be able to plot the bit error rate versus signal to noise ratio curves. Also, we will show you how to plot spectrums and also the time domain of the signal. And also you will be able to plot constellations and polar diagrams, the eye diagrams, and also we will show you how to do simple statistical analysis of the signal. Apart from the AWGN channel, we will also show you some other basic impairments that are frequently encountered in the wireless systems, including that is phase and frequency offsets. So before we move on and start the lab, I would like to remind you that it will be better if you go through the pre-lab part before coming to the lab, so that you can familiarize yourself with the with the MATLAB. And that you can find some tutorials in the MATLAB website through this link. And also it will be better if you go through this MATLAB command that we will be utilizing in this lab heavily. So it's better if you go through them and see how they are being called and which inputs they take and what kind of outputs they give, so that it's going to be easy for you to follow the session. So let's start.